my videos without the cringe.
Okay.
Sir, you have to wear a mask.
Oh no. I'm eating.
Yeah.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas Police Department. At 6:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This dangerous person on Instagram has sent bad photos to co-stream's group chat and has caused drama. This person is believed to be Cason Garrett. And people sent bad stuff include but not limited to Sam, Julian, Carmen, and Obama alert. If you see these people, do not make contact with them as considered dangerous and go inside and seek shelter immediately. Stay tuned to updates on this dangerous situation.